Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Egg Pam. Thank you for this video. It's going to be paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget that, smash that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Alright, first I'm going to start off for Egg Pam. I'm going to draw a circle right here. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines. Circle right here for her hair. Box, circle, then a line, then 2 little tiny legs for the feet. Now, right here in the middle, I'm going to draw a curve line, then it's going to go out like this, curve, color it in, and then same thing right here. Then I'm going to draw a line that gets progressively thicker. So it's gonna be like this, and that, then her pupil, and 2 lines right here. Then we're gonna do that same thing right there. Then we're gonna draw this weird thing right here for her nose, not weird thing. Then her smile. Okay, that's a smile, trust me. And then we're gonna draw, we're gonna draw a circle right here, circle right here. I know it's kind of in the way of that, but trust me, just do it. Then we're gonna draw a curve line right here. Then it goes around, line, then curve line right here. Triangle line, line, triangle line, line. I'm gonna draw curve line, and that goes right here, then a line right there, and a curve line for a certain time. I'm gonna draw a line that goes down here. Same thing right there, but no bow tie. I'm gonna draw a line right here, curves up like that, circle, and then some of like a C, and then an X, and then line. Then right here we're gonna draw a square and her belt. And right here we're gonna draw a circle right here, then another one, then line, curve. Then we're gonna draw a box right here, another one around it, then line that goes from here, line, curve here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and then another one. Extend that one a little out a little bit. Just a little extended because that's a little too short. Then we're gonna draw curve, line, and then you can also color that in over there. Box, curve line, curve. Well, not curve line, like lined, and then some bolts. Then we're gonna draw line right here, curve, like a handlebar, and then just a line and another line. Then we're gonna draw, I don't know how to explain that. Curved line right there, line right here, line right there, then line, kind of like a box, and then just curved line right there. Then we're gonna draw curve, U sign, and then box, another box, like this. Now, that's what the sketch for Egg Pam should look like. Now, I'm going to outline. Ka-chow! time to show you your colors. Alright, first one. Easy start. 2 tans. 1 dark one, 1 lighter one. 2 reds. Grays. 2 of this weird like oranges and brownish color. Yellow. Green. 2 purples. So these should be all your colors. Alright, I'm going to fast forward through all this coloring. Don't forget to check out my website, trentcardinal.com. And yeah, good ciao. We're almost done, and I already forgot to tell you, you guys need 2 browns. Okay, this is what Egg Pam, never thought I'd be saying that, should look like when you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.